Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Theodore. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out your candle.
Give it a
Come
big
here, blow
blow.
it out. Come here. You don't want to?
We need some more cupcake?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My cupcake.
Inside. You got more cupcakes, yeah.
My blue cupcake got these.
No, there are more of these.
You want a blue cupcake? Daddy could probably find you a blue cupcake.
Go find me one.
At the store, silly. Not
Your
inside.
big Toy Story cake.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I could probably find you a blue cupcake, though.
It's your birthday.
What do you want to do today?
It's your birthday.
Hey,
It's your
stop
birthday.
tickling me.
I know what you're looking for.
Your sword.
Ciao. Ah!
Mine
I know, here.
I was trying to look
For it.
my headband.
Your headband. I
Yeah.
think it's over there.
It's over there.
Here you go.
Mom, we got it.
Here you go.
Because it's on.
Maybe.
What's yours?
Mommy said, Nim, come pull up this. Come here, buddy.
I don't want it like that.
You want it on or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to turn it on.
Look, it's on. See?
Hey, why is this?
It's a good cupcake.
What's in the middle?
It's strawberry cheesecake.
Hey, I want to bite too.
I don't know how to bite this.
A big bite?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want a big bite.
You can take a small bite.
Daddy shoved it in my face. I like it because it's not super sweet.
It's pretty sweet.
Thank you,
I wasn't
Daddy.
eating the frosting though.
You're welcome, buddy.
You think the inside was sweet?
It's pretty good. I'll give it a sweet. On a scale of 10, I'll give it sweet.
Oh, okay.
Bonk.
Buddy, what do you want to do today?
Bonk.
I saw a big rat shooting last night when I was going to sleep.
You saw a big raccoon.
What do you want to do?
Cover your mouth. What do you want to do today? On your birthday?
I don't know.
You
Think
don't
of
know?
something.
Anything you want to do?
I told you, I told guys about go to tell guys the scary seat, right?
That you want to go camping?
But that wasn't enough. The scary seat.
Are we camping right now?
Yeah.
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 You say,
You want me to what?
Zip my tent.
Unzip your tent?
Yeah.
You got toys to put in there?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you got all the toys, huh?
Yeah, these are all ones on my new car.
You want to go fishing today?
Yes, sir. And I
With your new fishing pole.
Oh,
How's that sound?
this?
Yeah, catch fish.
Is it a long one? Is it a long one?
Along what?
A long fishing pole?
Yeah, you got a big boy fishing pole.
Boy fishing pole like yours?
Like daddy's, yeah.
Don't tip this. I'm gonna grab my cars.
Well, I'm gonna zip it a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Just like this so no bugs get in it. But you can unzip it, okay? We're waiting for you, buddy. Come on, we got crabs to get and fish to catch. You ready? Go slay some fish? Yeah, let's do it. Come on. On our way to our little fishing spot. We're about to nice things like this. Might as well Theo got a new fishing pole, so he wants to try it out. Hopefully we can slay some big ones. Also likes to do some crab hunting. So we brought our crabbing equipment, see if we can find some crabs. We made it to our spot, beautiful spot here underneath Nero's Bridge. We got our crab hunters way out there. There's been a local myth that some of the biggest octopus in the world, or octopus in the world, are found underneath this bridge. I guess there's a crack in the crevice of the earth that goes extremely deep. So that's always been a local rumor around here. Every time I come out here, I try to bring a camera with me. I just grabbed the camera that I had closest to me in the garage, and that's this old Nikon here. Great little shooter. Not mad at it. It's a beater. Hunk that thing around. I'll upload some shots that I've taken with it from this spot from today. So, here they are. Well, after being hit with the apple, at least he's enjoying it. Did you fall? It's all right. Stand up. It's all right.
brush it off. Good? Get out of the mud, buddy. You're gonna slip. That little bird is really loud.
Yeah, a little pip squeak. There he is.
He might come up here.
He went down again. Bird enjoyed its apple.
Let's go over here, buddy. Right here.
We're doing speed rounds trying to see how many crabs we can capture. Looks like we're up to a lot, a good bit. I don't know what we're gonna do with these things. Just let them go or feed them to a bird, but don't put them back. Okay, let's see what you got, contestant numero uno. Oh my goodness.
Speed. This is not going well.
No,
No. It is not going well.
there's a big one underneath Theodore's foot.
Ah!
Look right here. Right in front of you. Right in front of you. Right in front of Theodore's foot. Yep.
They were all pitching on.
Yeah.
That wasn't a very good round.
We've seen more impressive, definitely.
Yeah.
definitely
Let's try this
seen.
one. What do you think, buddy? This one? Okay. Watch your toesies.
Oh my goodness. You got the big guy.
Speed.
There's one on your foot.
Speed. Oh no.
Crabs hate to see her coming. Crabs hate to see her coming. That's for sure.
There is a big one. Medium.
What if some of these crabs don't like each other? They haven't seen each other in a while, and now they're looking at each other dead in the eye.
Is there crab gangs?
I don't know.
Possibly.
Possibly.
Should we do another one, Theodore?
Yeah.
Okay. You do the rock upside down.
It's like shooting crabs in a barrel.
Oh, that one's not impressive.
Oh, I missed it.
No, there wasn't very many. It wasn't impressive.
No.
Oh.
Look at
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah,
Big
I got
Arms
one.
there.
I got one.
You did get one. Wow, put it in there. Good job, buddy.
You're pinching.
Yep. That's really all they can do.
It's a rock.
Another.
He slipped through the cracks.
Oh, you had one, buddy.
He slipped through the cracks too. Well, good for you, bud. You're gone. Gentle.
You know this is illegal, right?
What's illegal?
This.
Crab hunting?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put them all back.
But this is not crab season. It's the same as like if you were.
Those are tiny little
Doesn't
things.
matter.
It doesn't count.
I think it does.
No, because I'm gonna put them back. I'm not taking them home.
It'd be the same as if the game warden came and said, "Hey, do you have a fishing license?" And he said, "No, I'm just catching and releasing."
Yeah, well, Fish and Wildlife
Hey, up. I'm right here.
is Fish and Wildlife.
There you
Yeah.
go.
I'm right here.
Then you know who I am?
Scared to get that crab right
I'm
there.
scared. I don't want him to get my
Hey.
finger.
Mommy, up. Yeah.
Mommy's
Mom.
scared.
Mommy. Mommy. Look at
Did you find a big
Oh,
one?
she found hermit crabs.
Oh.
the hermit crabs.
Mm-hmm.
Who has the bucket?
Bucket is over here. Want to get the bucket for mommy?
Let me put the hermit crabs in here. Hey, Mom. I'll cross you the bucket. Here. I got yours.
You gotta be gentle with the bucket, buddy.
I know this.
You know this?
I know it.
You just chose not to.
Yeah.
I don't know why we're doing this.
I'm
There
good
you
at
go.
this.
Theodore said he wanted to.
Oh, I saw him. He was attached to
Yeah,
you.
he was. Theodore said he wanted me to grab as many as I could.
Ah,
Birthday boy gets what the birthday boy wants.
And can I get these hermit crabs from me? Tomorrow?
Don't put him in your eye. Can you what?
Can I get one of these tomorrow?
You want a hermit crab for your birthday? That's an interesting ask.
this bird really likes us.
Mr. Goose.
Mr. Goosey. You want one of these
I
ones?
wish I could flip that rock. That's a big one. Might be a big crab up in there. Maybe if I push it that way.
Yeah, give it a try. This guy got away. A lone survivor. Little do you know, buddy.
It's not budging. Nope.
It moved a little.
It's not budging.
We got a big one, buddy. Hurry, get him,
Scared
get him, get him.
scared
Just grab him.
Scared.
Oh my goodness. Mommy got
To
him.
be scared, Mommy. I'll grab
Good
him.
job.
Oh, his legs hurt.
Yeah.
Ah, even his legs hurt.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll pick
We
him.
got him.
They will not.
There's a lot in there. We should release them.
Think we should release them now?
Yeah.
I don't think so yet.
Yeah.
No, just give them some sand.
No, they want to be under their rocks. Maybe keep the big guy and then release the rest and then find a new one.
Torture the big guy?
No, we just got him, so we'll leave him, do another round.
Why don't
and
we
put
just
these
throw...
guys
This is
back.
how they want to be. I think they enjoy this.
What?
Th-
Pile on each other?
Yeah, I think we should just throw some mud in there.
Why mud? They like rocks.
I found your vape.
Huh?
Found your vape.
My vape?
Hey, you're a hermit
Right
crab.
there.
I see a
Your
hermit
vape?
crab.
I found it. It's right there.
Oh.
Hey, I see a
Like,
hermit crab. A hermit crab.
Well, do as you please. I don't really care.
Mom, come this way. I'll show you what I have.
Okay.
I have hermit crab.
Oh. Bring the bucket.
They bring the bucket. Mom, can we find more crabbies? Mommy? Mommy? Mommy, I wanna find more crabbies for the
Okay. You tried.
Mommy?
There's our big guy.
He went this way, I think. Somewhere this way. Probably under this big rock.
Cluster of crabs.
I'll find your way back.
We were doing a little construction on your guys' apartments.
Mommy,
Hmm?
can we find more crabs?
They're finding their way home.
Can I pick one up?
What are we gonna get?
And then the sword.
A green ninja sword?
Yeah.
And what else?
And some new toys.
Car toys?
Yeah, car toys.
And then we're gonna have ninja battles at home and Nerf battles? Yeah. Here for toys and chicken, toys and chicken. How'd you know I need to go on this side? How'd you know I need to go over here?
I was going over here for you.
Oh, you
I was
weren't?
going over here for the toys.
For the toys? Ah. So that's what we need, toys and chicken and something else over here.
What do you need over here?
Wood. Believe it or not.
Your little pellet?
My little pellets, my big pellets. Jeez. I need to get Traeger pellets, and the Traeger says I can only use Traeger pellets, but I can't see any Traeger pellets, so I don't know where they sell them. So I think I'm gonna ask ChatGPT which ones to. Oh, they actually have some Traeger right here. Okay, cool. Now I know. Never mind. Found them, but the Traeger is so much more expensive. Maybe I can get one of these non-Traegers. This Bear Mountain is half the price. Let me see if I can get that.
There you go.
Thank you.
Everything?
Have a good one, buddy.
Absolutely.
You know what time it is. It's Taco Bell time.
As soon as Once we get home, okay? It's really hot.
Why is it really hot? But that's like
Back at the house. It's been an eventful day. Eventful, chill, relaxed day, I'd say. Theodore's in the backyard practicing his fishing. He did get some new ninja swords at the store. Got some gel bullets that are loading up right now. I think Mommy might be taking a nap. Let's see.
no. It's not. Hey, Mommy.
She is taking a nap. Huh. Theodore's cheesy rolled up. Buddy, she's napping. I got food on the grill. You know I can't help it. Just threw that chicken on, so you know, I'm gonna give you guys updates as it goes. But it's gonna be smacking. Load it for you? Yeah, give me 1 second. Come here. Hold it and I'll pull it. Or I could probably do it one-handed. Let's see. There you go. You're welcome.
Can I do this?
Yeah. See, I think the bullets got to get bigger. Nothing came out, right? Where's your bow and arrow? Is it in your bedroom? Chicken is looking good, huh? That chicken looking good? You think so? Looking real good, right? Yeah. That was a really good shot, buddy. Play with me and that chicken. Play with me and my chicken. What? Of course I'll show you how to do it. That chicken looks unreal. You gotta get an arrow first, remember? You gotta get an arrow first, remember? Okay, so line it up and put it through that big one. I'm showing him how to shoot that bow. That chicken bow. Are you kidding me? Oops. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Imagine I just dropped it. I really almost did.